Good afternoon. My presentation is under Blood, a Transport Medium. My name is Jennifer M. Garza, Biology 1409, for Professor Alan Herrera Martinez. Blood, a transport medium. The blood, a transport medium, helps in transportation in food, water, and oxygen and chemical compounds to form one place to another in the body of another organism. The components of the circulatory system. The components of the circulatory systems are made up by the heart, blood, and blood vessels. It includes the pulmonary circulation, a loop through the lungs where blood is oxygenated. Components of blood are the blood vessels, white blood cells, red blood cells, plasma, and plates. The red blood cells carry first oxygen through the body and removes carbon dioxide. The white blood cells detect and fight viruses and bacteria. Plasma transports nutrients, hormones, and proteins, which is a yellow liquid that makes up about 55% of the body's blood volume. The plants form clot to stop bleeding. Separation of components consists of plasma, less dense, plates, which contain the white blood cells, and hematocrotic, which is the red blood cells that are packed cells and more dense. Components of plasma consist of red blood. Blood plasma consists of water, plasma proteins, electrolytes. Other components are nutrients, hormone, waste, and blood gases. Plasma proteins. The plasma proteins consist of albumins, globulins, fibrinogen, and maintain colloid osmotic balance, pH changes, transport of materials through blood such as water, insoluble hormones, antibodies, and clotting factors. The three elements of blood. These three elements of blood consist of the three layers formed from the top are the liquid portions of the plasma. The buffy coat, which is in the middle, contains of the white blood cells, and the bottom part consists of the packed red blood cells. The red blood cells lack intracellular organelles necessary for growth and division. The short lifespan is 120 days. They are fragile and are prone to rupture. Ruptured red blood cells are destroyed in the spleen. Mechanism of transportation consists of 4 hemimolecules, 4 oxygen molecules. Oxygenated hemoglobin are the bright red systemic. The deoxygenated hemoglobin are blue venous circulation. Red blood cells structure and transport oxygen. They have no nucleus to make room for more oxygen Their function is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the body and carbon dioxide from the body back to the lungs. Formation of the new red blood cells are ruptured cells and replaced by new cells known as the erythropoiesis. The segregation of hormones, erythropoietin, and the new red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. The white blood cells are mobile units of body defense system. They seek and destroy functions which they destroy invading microorganisms, destroy abnormal cells such as cancer, clean up cellular debris, and assist in injury repair. The white blood cells also, it's a body defense. They're part of the immune system. They are much larger than the red blood cells, have nucleus. They are two types, which are the phagocytes and lymphocytes. Plasma, it's a liquid part of the blood. The plasma transports solute food molecules, waste products, hormones, and antibodies. The platelets are tiny blood cells that help the body form blood clots to stop the bleeding. If one of the blood vessels starts bleeding, for example, if you get cut, it sends out signals that are picked up by the platelets, and these platelets rush to the site of the damaged area and form blood clots to repair the damaged area.